Happy day class 6 students. We are in the chapter fractions. In the previous video we saw addition of fractions. So in this video we will be seeing about subtraction of fractions. In today's class we will be seeing about subtraction of like fraction, subtraction of unlike fractions and a story sum. Subtraction of like fractions. What are like fractions? The fraction in which the denominators are same are called as like fraction. In the previous video we saw addition of like fraction. How did we do addition of like fraction? We added only the numerator and the denominator is unchanged. The same way we are going to do subtraction of like fractions. We will subtract the numerator and the denominator is unchanged. Look at the fractions 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. The denominator are same, which is it is a like fraction. Subtract only the numerator 3 minus 2, that is 1, and the denominator is unchanged, that is 4. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Subtract the numerators, keep the denominator same. 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8, the denominator is unchanged, 8 as it is. 5 minus 2 is 3. One more example, 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7 gives you 2 by 7. Next we are going to see subtraction of unlike fractions. When the denominators are different, how are we going to subtract? We find the common denominator, make it into a like fraction, and then we subtract the numerators. Let us see with an example 5 by 12 minus 1 by 20. They are unlike fractions with denominator 12 and 20. So how to make them the denominator same? First we need to find the LCM and find the equivalent fraction with common denominator. Let us see what is the LCM of 12 and 20. It is 60. The LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. So 5 by 12 we multiply by 5 and 5 in the numerator and denominator, because 12 into 5 is 60. And minus 1 by 20 we multiply 3 and 3 in the numerator and denominator, because 20 into 3 is 60. We get 25 by 60 minus 3 by 60. 5 into 5 is 25. 1 into 3 is 3. 25 by 60 minus 3 by 60. The denominators are same. The numerator we need to subtract. What is 25 minus 3? 25 minus 3, 22. It is 22 by 60. So the subtraction of 5 by 12 and minus 5 by 12 minus 1 by 20 is 22 by 60. We can further simplify it, 11 by 30. Now let us see a story sum in subtraction of fraction. Sharon spent 4 3 by 7 hours in studying and playing tennis. So 4 3 by 7 hours she spent for studying as well as for playing tennis. If she played tennis for 2 1 by 4 hours, how long did she study? The time she spent for tennis is given. You know the total time spent in studying and playing tennis. We know the time she spent for playing tennis. We need to find how long did she study, the time she spent for studying. What here we have to do? We have to subtract. So the total hours spent for studying and playing is 4 3 by 7. We convert them into improper. It is 31 by 7. The hours spent for playing tennis is 2 1 by 4. Converting it into improper fraction will give you 9 by 4. So the hours spent for studying is 31 by 7 minus 9 by 4. Find the LCM of 7 and 4. Make the denominator same. And then we have to subtract. The LCM is 28. So we get 31 into 4 by 7 into 4 minus 9 into 7 by 4 into 7. We are multiplying 4 by 7 so that we get 28. We are multiplying 7 by 4 so that we get 28. We will be getting 124 by 28 minus 63 by 28. So the denominators are same here. Keep it as 28. Subtract only the numerators. 124 minus 63 gives you 61. It is an improper fraction. So we can convert it into mixed number. 2, 5 by 28. The answer, Sharon studied for 2 5 by 28 hours. Understood, children? So first we need to find the LCM, find the common denominator, and then we need to subtract only the numerator. Children, in this video we saw about subtraction of fractions, subtraction of like and subtraction of unlike fractions. So with this we end with our fractions chapter. Thank you, students.